Hello everyone. Today we will discuss how to apply regular examination form. Those who are in Jamia already know we have to apply the examination form before examination, right? If you are a regular student, then you must apply the regular examination form before starting your examination, right? So we will come to know that how to apply the examination form. Then simply first go on the Google and type JMICOE and then search bar. Then click this official website of Jamia, right? jmicoe.in. Click on this website and you will see page like this, right? And in the right corner you will see this option regular student login, right? You have to log in here and simply click on this regular student login, and you will see a page like this. If you are a student of first sem, you have to first register yourself and then log in from here only, right? And if you are in second sem, third sem, fourth sem and so on, does not matter, even you are in even semester or odd semester, you have to do the same procedure, right? So come to here, or log in with email ID or password, or with enrollment number and password, and the same password which you have applied in first sem, right? Which you have created in the first sem, the same password will be applied here, right? So fill it with email ID and password, and I have already filled it, and do the proceed, right? First you have to do email ID, fill with email ID, password, and just proceed, right? In case you have forgot your password, then you can apply from here, forgot password, right? You can get your password from here. And in case of new users, like you are in the first sem, just entered the Jamia, you have to register yourself from where? From here, new users activation registration now, right? Register now. So you have to apply from here. First step is registration and then login with this same procedure, right? I have filled my email ID and password and then proceed. After proceed, you will find the page like this: student data, examination form compartment, examination form, migration form, grade card, right? You have to go simply on this examination form. Simply click this and you have to choose this honors, right? And SAM and type. After completing your this step, like you are in the this and type you are regular, okay? All have to, then you will see here the main paper here, and you have to choose the subsidiary paper and CBCS paper from here, right? And please be careful with your paper. If you will apply for the wrong paper, you will get into trouble, right? So choose very carefully. Please take your time while choosing your paper, right? So choose with a paper code. After selecting your paper, you can save here, okay? This is after applying, and before applying there will be a option save form. You have to click just on this, and after applying you should check your that form have applied or not. Then what is the procedure to check whether you have applied or not, or the form is successful or not? Then you have to just simply back, okay? Then again click the examination form and again fill this is SAM 3 and type regular, okay? Then the form will be shown as this, right? Is showing that your form have been submitted. So this is a successful form. So for checking you can go back and then come to here again, and this option will show as you are seeing. So this is a small procedure for examination form in which most of the students get confused, but this is a very simple steps. If you have any query related this or any other issues or examination form or entrance form, you can comment me in the comment section where I can resolve your all the problems. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.